This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. This is the 29th, 30th? I think it's the 30th. Yeah, today's the 30th, right?
Yes.
Yes, just checking. Yeah, today's the 30th of March. Boy, another week. Easter will be here. I wanted to make a correction yesterday when I was talking to that man. I didn't mean that there's no Vogel, that there's no avian flu. Okay, I'm going to say this in German as well. What I should have said, continue my sentence, there is no avian flu on this field, okay, that I see or have seen. So that's what I meant to say. Of course there's avian flu, of course, okay. So I'm saying in German, ich wollte sagen, dass gestern, als ich habe zu diesem Mann gesprochen, ich habe zu ihm gesagt, es gibt keine Vogelgrippe. Ja, natürlich gibt es Vogelgrippe. Was ich habe gemeint, es gibt keine Vogelgrippe auf dieser Weide, in diesem Vogel hier, okay? Dass ich sehe, momentan, ich sehe das nicht. Und ich komme sehr nah an diese Vogel. Und das ist, was ich wollte sagen. Natürlich gibt es Vogelgrippe, natürlich, okay? Aber ich habe meinen Satz nicht fertig gemacht und ja. Und dann, als ich habe das Video gesehen, dann sagte oh, das ist nicht ganz genau, was ich habe gemeint. So, ich habe mich korrigiert. Okay, alles klar. Back to English. All right, so I said the same thing in German. Anyway, yeah, have no idea. One interesting thing that we did discover is that this sign and its information is on the website of Kreuzlingen. The same erroneous information. And asking people that if they find a changed bird, and I think they mean a bird that doesn't look good. I think they mean a dead bird that doesn't look good. They didn't say that. They just said verändert it, which means changed. But they didn't say a dead changed bird. But I guess it's just logical. The bird has to be dead. But again, they said to put it in a garbage bag and then put it in your garbage container, you know, for pickup. So, I mean, that is just unbelievable, okay? So, yeah, it is really, really something. We have the city maintenance people here. I'm not sure what they're up to. But, I mean, you can't put that on your website. I mean, it's bad enough it's on these signs, but it's on the city website. Come on. Wow. Wow. Another point I was thinking about, another reason they put those signs up. And by the way, I was the only one who got the Anzeiger, although Bryant also took the signs down. I mean, put them away, and it was actually his idea originally. And he said that we would do it, you know, in the nighttime or whatever. And so I got so upset that day that I just, you know, opted to do it right away. Sooner better than later, okay? But he did not get it. He did not get a charge against him. Why? Because it's number one, it's sexism. They're against women here, and number two, they're after me. They're after me, and it wouldn't be good to put some kind of charge against a terminally ill man who's handicapped. Okay, can't barely walk. So, but they don't mind putting his life in danger. That they don't mind, do they? So, anyway, So you can imagine that. So Bryant said they have to put a charge against him, otherwise that would not be right. And I think with two of us saying the same thing, we have a stronger case, okay? Because they can't do that. They can't discriminate against me. So I will, that's what we're planning on doing. So we'll write that letter to district attorney and see what happens. But I'm not going to show up for my appointment at the police station unless they do a charge against Bryant. And that way we have solidarity, okay? We have solidarity. And we have a stronger case. We have a stronger case. So, so we thought about it last night. And also, I think they put these signs up because they're nowhere else but here. That that's another thing Mr. Brown lied about. He said he put him in hot spots. Well, there's nothing here at all. Okay? We'll do it down here. Because I think they want someone to attack me and then I fight back and then I have another criminal charge against me. Or I get hurt. That's what they want. They want me to get hurt or to get into trouble. That's what they want. Okay? Because that's the only thing that these signs do, is provoke violence, give out erroneous information, ask people to commit criminal acts. Not only going after us, but also people getting hurt. Not just us, but them. So today we're going to pick up some extra pepper spray to protect ourselves. Okay? But it's just not going to work. We're not giving in to something like that. I'm not giving in to a bogus charge and the legal charge on the legal signs. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Okay? Yes, I will gear down my feeding. I had planned to do that. Okay? I don't need them to make me do that. Okay? So, that's just not going to work for me. Right? It's not going to work for me. So, we'll wait and see what's going to happen here. Put our little peanuts out here. Probably Hayfley's going to come out with some fireworks. Okay. No Charlie, but there's plenty of Eve here. There's Seymour. There's Seymour. Here we go. There we go. That could be, is that Charlie there? No, that's not Charlie. I'm looking for Charlie. I'm looking for Charlie. I'm looking for Charlie. Is that Charlie over there? Is that Charlie giving him a call? No, it's not Charlie. Trying to draw Charlie if I can get him. but I don't see him. I don't see Charlie. Okay. You see how nervous. You see how nervous. Oh, look at this guy. Look. He's pointing that I'm crazy. Look at that. Do you see that? You see that? You see what it's going to be like here. You see that? Let's play sheriff. We saw him make the crazy sign. So, yeah, if he could, there are a lot of people he sees I have a camera. If he could, he would come and attack me. He would come on the field. Okay? And they're all discussing their stupidity. Okay? Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, I hope Bryant's paying attention here. Yeah. Oh, by the way, that's Mr. DePaz. And he's a known bird poisoner, by the way. Okay? He and his wife spearheaded the hate campaign. He was him and his wife were the janitors at the old building. And so they spearheaded the hate campaign. I'll never forget that one day when it came to when they were doing building the new daycare center at the school, and that was something you had to vote on. And we went there, and I remember Mrs. DePaz saying, "What are you doing here? You can't vote."